hello, this is Ante and welcome back to another video of Minecraft. Yeah, I know that I'm late. Yeah, it's been 4 weeks or 3 weeks to making this video. I was working on a survival video, but I think I have stopped it because I have no views. I have not much views to upload this type of videos like survival, etc. So I decided to not make the video, so I will make this is the topic that I am making on the video. Without wasting time, let's start the video. So in this mode you can teleport anywhere and you can set waypoints too. This is very amazing type of mode, and there is 2 items you can use to select waypoints and select that where will you teleport. You can get the items here. And guys, one thing, I don't know that how to use it. Okay guys, jokes apart, so today's for the video. I hope you enjoyed my content, and if you wanna see more modes video, just comment and I will make videos. So peace out.